Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to downgrade Google One storage or plan. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in Google, you have to search Google One settings. So you want to click on Sign Google Accounts. Then you're going to see Change Membership Plan. So you want to click on that. So then you want to scroll down. You want to see more plans. Scroll down more. And here you can see where you can downgrade. So you want to click on Downgrade. Then you want to do Yes, I understand. Now this isn't going to give you a refund. This is just going to make sure that next month you're going to get the cheaper rate. Then you want to click on Subscribe and you will get Success Screen PP up that successfully downgraded your Google Drive subscription. And that's it. So that's basically how you can downgrade Google One storage or plan. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.